Sisters and Friends Level 1, Unit 2, Lessons 5A and 5B. There is a book. There is a book. There are books. There are books. There is a book. There is a book. There is a chair. There is a chair. There is a crayon. There is a crayon. There is a table. There is a table. There are books. There are books. There are chairs. There are chairs. There are crayons. There are crayons. There are tables. There are tables. Let's go to school. There are books. There are books. There are crayons. There are crayons. There are chairs. There are chairs. There are tables. There are tables. I listen. I listen. Dad. Dad. Mom. Mom. Teacher. Teacher. Let's practice. I listen to my dad. I listen to my dad. I listen to my mom. I listen to my mom. I listen to my teacher. I listen to my teacher. Great job! Goodbye!